Oh man guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video. We finally got new tires and wheels for the truck. Now don't get me wrong, I like the wheels that's on it right now, but it was time for a change. Let me go ahead and show you what I got. So what we got here is 22-inch American Racing. I'm not 100% sure what type of wheel this is. And the only reason why I'm not 100% sure is because I believe these wheels are discontinued. I got it off a guy around town. He had it on an older F150. This is not a very wide tire, as you can see right there if you can read upside down. Hang on, I'll flip the camera for you. 22 by 9, so it's 22 inches, 9 inches wide. Not a very wide wheel, but I really didn't want that aggressive, really aggressive stance on it. I wanted a nice street truck look that's also usable, and unfortunately I won't be able to keep it this color, and it's not because of this little speck right here. The owner that had it before me, he ran off and messed up 3 out of 4 wheels. It's pretty bad. I'll pull up a couple pictures right here. So I am in a process of painting the other wheels. I got 2 of them painted. Let me go ahead and show you how they look. These are the other wheels right here. This is just what it's gonna be for right now. I still have a little bit of curb rash that I'm trying to fix right here, but yeah, I still got to paint this one. And then we have a little bit of an issue with the tires. So these tires are not really, they're not really good for long distance travel like we are getting ready to do. So we're gonna go ahead and swap the tires out. So let me go ahead and show you the tires I got. Ow. Ran right into the tires. Hang on, let me find this garage opener. There we go. Yeah, this is probably not a great place to put the tires. Here are the other tires right here. Tamarok, all-terrain, Arroyo. I don't know how to pronounce that. This is the tire right here. I got 285, 45, 22s. If you look down in here, you can actually see where the curb rash is. I'm excited to see how these tires run. I heard pretty good reviews on them. Maybe they're pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and drop these off at the tire shop. Go ahead and get it put on by my buddy. Hopefully we can get it done by this weekend. So let's see how they look. And I forgot to mention, some of you guys might be wondering, why am I putting the tires on before I finish the wheel? And it's the simple fact of, I really don't want the finish to be messed up. I'm not saying that my buddy would mess up the wheels or anything like that, but stuff happens. I would much rather be like, it's fine, I gotta fix it anyway, versus really, I gotta redo it. I can't wait to see what the new tires look like on the wheels. And I can't wait to see how the finish look will look like. Can't wait to see them. All right, we got them on. Well, 2 out of 4. We only could do 2 because we ran out of daylight. As you can see, the sun is setting over there. Found out this wheel has a little bend in it, but it'll be okay. It's still usable. I'm gonna put that on the right rear. I like these tires. I like the way they look. Unfortunately, we could not get the wheels done. The guy was way too busy at work and he wasn't able to do it. But we did get 2 done. As you're watching this video right now, the other ones are done. If you want to, stick around and look at the YouTube post. You should be able to see my wheels with all the tires on there. But you know, I could not leave you guys without a little teaser. So here's a teaser for you. Not the best teaser, but still, I bet it's gonna look really good on this truck. But like always, if you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and check out this video right here. I should have the video of the wheels right here. If not, it's truck stuff. So enjoy that. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.